Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be playing Nerf Strike. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I want you guys to like, subscribe, and turn those post notification bells before I die. Did you guys do it in that time? If you did, make sure to comment down below. Nerf Strike Squad. Got ya. No, why did you put one here? These are turnips and they literally can kill you. So yeah, that's also an obstacle. Oh shoot, I forgot. We're doing this is where domination is where you have to capture the other person's thing. So how you do it is you have to get it, but when you do, you have to actually protect it because they can steal it back. So yes. It's like she's trying to hide from me or something. Oh no, this is hard because there's so many people like guarding it, and it's really challenging when people are guarding it. The only thing I really have to worry about, actually, people guarding it, because like then you can't get it at all. So you know, you hear me? It's so hard. I don't really like domination because it's like really hard. We got defeated. They literally had it basically the whole round. I got 8 kills. Oh, and this game just got updated and now they have Volcano. So let me guys. Oh, it's actually domination again. Let me show you what this map looks like. I love to go up here and like stay up there and make sure everything's okay. Okay, we got one. Let's go to. Did we just. No, let's go to A and capture A. Oh, shoot. It's kind of hard, man. Only people are taking it. Now you have to go back to B, and now you have to protect it. Protect. No! I don't think she knows that's there. Okay, opponent is taking B. Now you have to go to B. Sometimes you just want to scream. Opponent is taking everything. It's ours. It's mine. It is mine. I literally want to scream. No, this is really hard though. I don't want to, but I have this. Literally, is so hard. Literally. Like, you don't understand. This is a challenge for me. yeah, you better die. You better die, and you better stay dead. Now let's go do some other things. We got your team captured B. I can guard B. Like I actually never been in this map before, so I don't really know my way around it that well. But yeah. Oh, and they added a new gun. Like I want it now. Like I want it. But I need to stay guard of all of this. You know how hard it is to stay a guard? Stay a guard. No, so like I love winning, but when you lose your life, I just love. Like, how could this happen? Because it's sad when you lose. Do we lose? Victory! I won, I got victory. I got 0 kills. So we're doing domination again. How many times are we doing domination? I actually like to stay down here. I move around a lot down here though. It's like a base. Are you serious? It's like a basement, but not a basement. It's kind of cool. It's ours. So, hope you're happy. We have to actually, the only thing I don't like is when other people opponent is not taking B. I'm sorry, but it is mine. Opponent is taking C. Go protect C. Like, I'm protecting one. Like, more people should be protecting, like, one. And, yeah. Wait, did he just? Die? You monster! You also monster. Like, stay out. Like, you guys shouldn't even come down here because I'm literally gonna kill you every time. And if I die, I'm going right back down here. That's how you do it. You just gotta be cool. They're taking A. We need to go to A. But it needs to happen. Got ya. As long as I killed you, I'm fine. Like you guys trying to be taken, die, taken B, but you're not gonna take it because it's mine. So don't even try. Don't, literally don't. Don't try because every time you try, it's never gonna work. I just died. Opponent's taking B. You guys are really that bad at the game you couldn't protect B. You guys are literally so bad. Cause when I'm gone, you guys are having trouble. When I'm here, you guys are being great. Cause I'm actually doing all the work. You're not. I'm literally the boss. Sorry, you just died. You literally risked yourself. But actually, it's not my fault that you're horrible at the game. Game. And then when you say horrible at the game, you just die. You die. You die. Oh my god. We just lost a beam. Everybody down there now. You think you can do that? You really think wrong. Cause baby, it's mine. Baby, I'm with it. I don't know why that just popped in my head. Baby, I'm with it. This is gonna be started getting it back because it's already there, so you know. but I'm gonna do it up like a pro. Because we just got it back, noobs. Yeah, but still, you guys are never gonna take it. You guys are literally the worst of the game. You guys literally... No! Wait, you're trying to take C? Like, you can't take C. I am sorry, girl, but you no taken. Like, don't even try. Hey, where is it? Baby, I'm with it. Baby, I'm with it. Yo, this is so hard. Destroyed it. And it is ours. Wait, do they still have it? They do. They do. They do. They do. No. 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 You can't take C. This is literally ours. It's ours. It's literally ours, and it's gonna stay ours. So don't even try and take it because it's ours. Because, baby, I'm worth it. Just give it all to me because I'm worth it. No, but actually, I don't really care about A. It's on their side, which means they're probably going to win, but, you know. Well, no, keep it, but they're not going to win at all. You can't have or let that happen. It's ours, bro. You try and come in a bait, like, be rude like that. Like, bro, you can't do that. I just leveled up to level 28. I bet you not at 28, huh? Yeah, that's what I thought. I bet you weren't at 28. Because we still got victory. 14 tags is the most tags. No, 14 isn't the most, but it's the best. Because I'm being based. Now we're doing a team match. I feel like we haven't done a team match in forever because everybody's like, domination, 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 free for all. Oh wait, I don't think you guys experienced free for all. Well, if you haven't, free. Free for all is where you literally, free for all is where you get to do this. You guys literally, you don't have a team at all. It's where you don't have a team. And it literally, what the heck? Okay. So yeah, you basically don't have a team, and it's really annoying. Okay, so yeah, let's just continue this game. Boom, got ya. Didn't get you because like you're too far away. Come back here, please. Got you. No, got you. Why is it so hard? Ah! I like screen like froze. Okay, there we go. Like my screen just froze. So I want to say that I'm gonna try and post every day, but it gets really hard. So yeah, cause you got other things to do in life besides just film. It sounds like I'm saying film, like a car. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Oh, you know this little saying's like, I'm in my mom's car. Vroom, vroom. Get out my car. Oh. Well, anyways, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you